A new artificial intelligence company, Signature and Fable, has unveiled its vision to build a trusted digital platform that protects brands, experts, communities, and indigenous knowledge in the AI era. Speaking in Shillong, company officials said the rapid growth of AI has made it harder to identify genuine brands and reliable information online. The platform is built on three key pillars: brands, icons, and families. Brands will go through a verification process, while expert recommendations will come from qualified professionals instead of celebrity endorsements. The company also plans to promote community-based product reviews through family and professional groups to improve trust and transparency. Another key focus is protecting indigenous knowledge and original content. Officials said creators will retain ownership of their work and AI developers will need permission before using it to train AI models. The company says its goal is to create a transparent AI ecosystem that protects digital identity, authentic knowledge, and the rights of content creators.
So today we want to introduce to the world a platform that we have created, which is known as Signature and Fable. This platform is going to empower a lot of people, and it is going to remove a lot of fraud and illicit activities from the world. As we know, in the world of AI, there are a lot of things happening that we don't like to take care, but we need to have an option of how to take care of those things as well. So this is what Signature and Fable is going to do. Now let me explain to you what exactly is Signature and Fable. So I will explain you in 4 points. The first thing is, in Signature and Fable, we have 3 entities. That is brands, icons, and families. So let me first talk about brands. Brands means any kind of a brand can come into our platform, but we have a bigger problem these days. Because of the introduction of AI and deepfakes, many a times we cannot realize that whether a brand is actually kind of like real or not. We get corrupted by that. But this is not going to happen after the introduction of Signature and Fable. Because in Signature and Fable, the first step only is the kind of like KYC or full verification of the brands. Then the second thing is icons. And right now I'm going to tell you, there is a big problem that is happening in our society. Anybody, literally anybody can come and they can simply say that I am an influencer or I am kind of like expert in this domain, and then they can simply claim that this product is good or this product is bad. But what we are saying in our platform, that whosoever are the icons that are coming into our platform, they will be domain expertise. Now let's take the example, let's take a very simple example. Suppose we want to kind of like say that, suppose there is a cement company. Now we already know that to make sure that the cement is genuinely good, only a contractor or some established contractor who are working in the business, they can tell us. But not some celebrity at all. Obviously, we have no disrespect for the celebrity. They are getting money, but that does not mean that that cement brand can be endorsed by him and we should blindly trust. Because I'll tell you, there is one more problem with this celebrity culture also. See, if the product turns out to be bad, we cannot go and question that celebrity. But if it is all our kind of like people who have already established a connection with that brand, then we can simply go and ask them, why did you make it wrong? Okay. And the third most important part is families. Now let me tell you, whenever a brand launches a new product, they need kind of like some sort of a public feedback that whether my product is good or not. Now usually what happens, it goes to some kind of a like some firm and all, and they do some kind of analytics. They tell the people, okay, this is a good product or this is a bad product. But according to us, that is not so. According to us, it is the families. Now let's suppose the gathering that we have. Now this is a kind of like a news media family, I can say. Even though if you people are not a biological family, but you people are a news media family. So whether, if you want to prove that whether today we have come here and spoken something, only you people are the one who can approve it. Similarly, we can talk about the normal family also. If a normal family is testing that suppose this toothpaste is good, this soap is good, then the brand will accept, okay, so people will like this thing at all. So this is how we want to empower people. And the most important part is about our indigenous knowledge and all. That has been right now extensively stolen. Not only our indigenous knowledge, but all kinds of knowledge. AI is used to train AI is used to train by taking that knowledge. But we all know later on we have to pay for a subscription to AI. So they are taking our data, but our data is not kind of like, we are not getting any payment for that data. What we are saying is like, this method should stop. From now onwards with signature and Fable, if you have any data, it can be any kind of data, no matter how small or how big. If you upload it in signature and Fable, it will be legally recognized, it will be legally protected. And finally, if an AI company wants to train their data model on that, they have to take a license from you and they can pay you money for that. So this is what I would like to say. For more information, I would like my colleagues to speak.